Hen, did you realize your dad was secretly pretty cool? At my dad's funeral, my dad and I weren't close, and after my parents split up, we drifted further apart. I don't really have all of the details, but I know that my parents' relationship had deteriorated and my mom was not easy to get along with at all, at least for him. With the wisdom gained from 30 years of living, I see my parents as flawed but caring people who were not right for each other. But in the intervening time, my dad and I were, if not estranged, not really in each other's lives, especially after he moved from New Jersey to Atlanta for work. Fast forward several years, cancer, and the end of his life. I was there when he passed, and delivered the eulogy at the funeral. The place was packed. My dad managed a very successful body shop and tons of his current and former employees came out. Suppliers, customers, the works. It was abundantly clear that he had touched a lot of people with his good humor and mentorship. I talked to a few people who told me that he had taken a chance and hired them at their first job and that he'd been great to work for. There were probably 200 people there. It was kind of crazy. This was a side of my dad that I never really got to experience. He wasn't great with me as a kid, and by the time I was old enough to have really benefited from his strengths, he was mostly out of my life. I have very few